Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
पण आयज पयली फावट आमचे खूब दिसांनी एक्सपर्ट कमिटी मिटींग आमी घेतल्या. सेक्रेटरी हॅज नोटेड ऑल द थिंग्स. आमी मुख्यमंत्री कडेन डिटेल चर्चा करून चीफ सेक्रेटरी आमी सगळे बसून जे इम्प्लिमेंट आमी करूं शकता, कितपत आमी इम्प्लिमेंट करूं शकता, कित्याक बेश्टे नांवां पेपराचेर कितेंय आमी घालूं शकता एसओपी, पण ते इम्प्लिमेंट जावपाची गरज आसा. स्पेसिफीक areas, at least if we are able to target like what other states have done, then perhaps we'll be able to prevent the rise of COVID in the state of Goa. Today, if you go to the northern belt, I had tweeted also and I said that social distancing and mask is a must. Lot of eateries and all, you find that there was no COVID. Lot of hotels that you found having functions, you don't even know that there is COVID or what. It looks like there was never COVID in this country. Hence, as a result, I have asked my people for FDA and other people to keep a strict watch on such restaurants, and I have shared my email also on Twitter. Please send with evidence and photographs which restaurant is violating this. We will straight away cancel the license.
Nobody is there, and then we are also asking for their genome testing before they come and land in Goa. So they come with their genome testing. That if you give a vaccine second dose within 4 weeks, you get a good immunity, a good booster. It is called as a second dose, is called as a booster. Now, over a period after vaccinating so many people, they found the booster should come after 6 weeks or 8 weeks.